Broken the trail. I broke it. Damn, you took out the back tail light.
Go, Ashton!
Go, Ashton! Ashton, take your anger.
No.
I
don't have anger.
No, go through the headrest. The headrest.
The headrest. Ashton with a weapon. Well, that depends on whether she's klutzy with it or not. Do something, Ashton!
Haul it! It's home from work we go. Hey-ho! Come on, this isn't the mine.
Wait, what are you calling Ashton?
It's this scene where they're mining, and that's what she's doing.
You're tiny enough to be on the stick.
Go on, Ashton. Pretend you're hammering a nail with a big giant hammer.
Oh gosh, if you show this to anybody at Hampton City, I will shoot you.
You know, if I ever go to St.
Ow.
It's all good,